Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul today from Tuesday morning, and I'm just going to jump right in and show you what I got. So I got this snap for $1.99. These are pockets in an envelope. I already had the other set to go with it, which is 3 pockets, but I just wanted to fill it out to make it a 6-piece set so it can go together in a notebook. And it's a snap, life documented by Simple Stories, I believe. But anyway, this is $1.99 and it's 1848466. I got this on clearance, and this is, if you haven't used these tucking dies, it's pretty cool. These are nice for card making. You have the corner and the straight, and then the other ones as well. And so this is 1830102. You know, I always got to get some more tape when I can. So the 1/4 inch, which gives me the 1/8 inch, which is very thin, as you can see, 99 cents, and is 1954814. Then we move up to the 1/4 inch, which is $1.49, and that's 1954813. And then this one, when we move up to the 1/2 inch, it's $1.99, and the last 2 digits is 12, so it's 1948112. I always got to keep some extra of that. So as you know, they've been bringing out the quilling stuff. I already showed you in the other video my other quilling stuff. So this one I thought was good because this was AC Moore has this, and so does Hobby Lobby, which I went to both of them today. But this is a 500-piece set. They had a 100-piece set for $2.99. So this is a 500-piece set for $2.99. I was like, yes. So this is matte finish, and this is an 1/8 by 12 inch. So those are the various colors. Excuse me. Then I picked up a whole bunch of ephemera. A whole bunch. A couple pads. 2 pads of the Bella Boulevard Barnyard, because I already got the 6x8 paper pad. These are both 99 cents. They're the same. Those are the items that you can see on this ephemera pack, which are kind of cute. So it's just, you know, your barnyard stuff, which I thought would be nice to go along with that paper pad to make some items out of it. 99 cents, and is 1968835. And I don't think I gave you the number for this one. I'm sorry, did I? 1957417. I also found the Oh My Stars tabbies by Bella Boulevard for 99 cents. And it doesn't say how many pieces in here. But anyway, you can see quite a few tabs in there. And, yeah, 1, 2. So, at least 42 pieces in here. But anyway, this is called Colorful. And here's another 1/4 inch. I didn't realize I had 2 of them. Then, here's another one to go along with them. This, the paper clips to go along with the barnyard. And it's $1.49, and it's 1968831. I got the Carpe Diem for $1.79. Roller. I think I just bought this. I got to double check. I think I just got this one. There's 2 different ones. One was $2.49 and $1.79. I think this is the one I already got. Double check. This is Beautiful, Pray, Pray, Pray. Amen. Faith be blessed. I love Jesus. Hearts be still and know. Love, remember. Arrow through the heart and His grace. And the price, the number on this one is 1958669 for $1.79. Excuse me. The nesting medallions. I hadn't seen that one in my area. 12 dies. And, you know, anytime you use nesting, you can do a lot of things with them. You can make card fronts. You can make shakers. So you can just make, you know, layered banners and stuff. Like when I say banners, I mean labels is what I'm trying to say. To put a sentiment on. $4.99. The number is 1929991, and actually that number I know goes to a lot of other dies. So that number, if you call us, I'm not gonna tell you to have some dies in your area, but you're not gonna know which ones. And then this one, the days of the week, quick cuts $4.99. Same number, see? Same number. This one 1929991. So that's the 7 dies right there. You can see the tabs and the days of the week. Pretty nice for a planner and something like that. You can put it in. Got this other Heidi Spot one for $1.99. Check your prices because on some of them say $2.99, some say $1.99. So they are 5x7s. I'm not sure what's the difference other than they price it differently. But this one just, you know, embosses different stripes. Excuse me. 197 is 6668. They brought some of the distress stains back out. I didn't have this brush pewter. I had my checklist with me in my purse. So I checked it and I didn't have this one. 99¢, and it is 1950481. So they had car pumpkin and brush is the blue one. Corduroy, not corduroy. Denim something. That's out. And then I got a couple stamps. Now, this still may go back. When I saw this, I didn't get it the first time. And the reason why I didn't get it because I know I had these faces and those sentiments. But what I remembered was, I think I got the set when it came like this from Hobby Lobby. So I got the smaller set. And I might actually have this one too. I got to check. But this has a 6 set. And I think mine only has 4. But it also came with the stencil and the words and stuff. I just got to double check. But if I do have it, I might take it back. But this is by Delusion. Oh, this is not Delusion. I'm sorry. Ranger. This is Dina Wakley. So it's an 18-piece set and is 1950819. So this is the stamps and the stencil. And there's some more of her stamps. And again, I gotta double check to see if I have these that I got from Hobby Lobby or not. They look for me, but I don't know if I got them. 196. I know I've seen them, but I don't know if I purchased them. 1967907. Is that one. And then this one, I know I don't have. Oh, excuse me. I'm not even sleepy. It's the air conditioner making me yawn. And then this one, this Worst Sentiments, which says, let's see. Let me pull this out. Oh, here it is. What does it say? Blank your spark of madness. Oh, kindle your spark of madness. Wow. Why would I want to kindle my spark of madness? I'm not mad. Don't take these moments for granted. From my heart to yours, stay strong. Magic is something you make. Best wishes, stay kind, stay brave. Keep taking chances. So these are just some handwritten sentiments. $3.99 as well. 1967907. That's the same number, 907. And the last one, I'm so glad I found this one. I hope to find another one, the Safari one, because I got the paper pad, 2 of the paper pads, and I got a couple of the paper 25 packs sheets that go along with the paper pad. And so this is the first stamp one that I got. But this one is 1970894. So it's $4.99. So I'm glad to get that one. And this is Adventure One. Excuse me. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.